Hello, my dear friends. How are you today? I hope that you're fine and that you're ready to start working. So right now we're going to do your homework together. In order to do your homework, you will need a pencil. I have a black pencil. Here it is. And your activity book. Excellent too. Now let us open our book. What page do we need, by the way? Here it is. We need page number 8, and now we're going to do this particular exercise. Also, in order to do the exercise, you will need your computer because we're going to listen to the audio and do it. So, yeah, the music is about to start working, and we're going to listen to the audio. But before that, I want us to look what we're going to do. So that is Unit 2, Exercise D, Lesson and Draw Lines. So here we can see many different objects. Yeah, what is it? It's an aquarium. These are 2 mice. That is a penguin. It is a cat. These are 2 frogs. And that is a parrot. Yeah? So, in here we can see a picture of a room. Yeah? So, maybe it is a kitchen. In this room I can see a door. Also there is a table in the room. There is a chair next to the table. There is a cupboard and the television on it. There's one more cupboard on the wall and a shelf with books. Also there is a lamp, yeah? So, now let us switch on the audio. Here it is. We need Exercise D, Unit 2, Exercise D. So let me switch on the audio. Yeah. Okay, so let us wait a minute. And now let us do the exercise, of course.
Unit 2, Activity Book, Exercise D. Listen and draw lines. There's a fish on the table. There are mice under the table. There's a penguin on the door.
The penguin is on the door.
There's a cat under the chair.
The cat is under the chair.
There are frogs on the bookshelf.
These frogs are on the
There's
bookshelf.
a parrot in the cupboard.
The parrot is in the cupboard. Okay, so that's it. We have listened to the audio, and now let us draw all these lines together.
Activity Book, Exercise D. Listen and draw lines. There's a fish on the table. There are mice under the table. There's a penguin on the door. There's a cat under the chair. There are frogs on the bookshelf. There's a parrot in the cupboard.
Here it is. So now let us write down some words. What is it? It is a fish. What are these? These are mice. Yeah? Okay, what is that? That is a parrot. These are frogs. That is a cat. There is a penguin. Don't you know that? In order to find the words, let us open our book. Yeah, there were all these words. You can put it right in front of you. Put it right in front of you. That is a penguin. So also, in order to do the exercise, we have to write down some words in the picture. That is a door. That is a lamp. That is a table. That is a chair. That is a cupboard. So, have I forgotten anything? Yeah. It is a bookshelf. So that's it. Now, let us finish the exercise. What do we have to do here? Write sentences in the past tense. So what is the example? Yesterday there was a fish on the table. There were 2 mice. Where were they? Under the table. Under the table. There was a penguin on the door. Let us write it together. There was a penguin on the door. Now, there was a cat under the chair. There was a cat under the chair. So there were frogs on the bookshelf. There were frogs on the bookshelf. There was a parrot in the cupboard. There was a parrot in the cupboard. Cupboard. So that's it. We have done the exercise. That's really great. Please check the work on your own. And now let me say goodbye to you. Bye bye.